even today, millions of passengers travel every year on these small wooden abras or boats. Jump on the boat to board and take a trip across the creek. The basic design of these boats has not changed. Only the diesel engine and the shade canopy are the modern amenities that have been added. The trip across the creek only costs 1 dirham, which is about 27 cents. However, you can take a private boat across the creek for about $4. Dubai's agricultural resources are minimal, so its people look to the sea for sustenance through fishing, pearling, and maritime trade. This creek is one of the very few natural harbors on the Arab coast, but its entrance was vulnerable to sandbars and silting. From 1820 onwards, the British presence in both India and the Gulf brought stabilization to this region and allowed for commerce to thrive. For most of its existence, Dubai was a small fishing village and a pearling town. Things changed in 1833 when approximately 800 people from a subsection of the ruling Bani Yas tribe left Abu Dhabi and settled here along the creek in Shindaga. All of the subsequent rulers of Dubai have descended from this particular group, and the Al Maktoum dynasty was born. With its openness to trade and strategic location, by the late 1870s, Dubai had overtaken Abu Dhabi in population and size, and it emerged as the principal port of the Trucial states.